30 seconds. One time. Right. They do have a lane closure or something here. They're forcing everybody off at night street. He's right about to lose it. He's not very experienced. He's been black male. He's got a I believe it is. Speed's 40. No traffic. Speeds are 60, 212. We're on a quick area, I'll call it. Towards 30 west, on 9. Speed 42 right now, coming up from the Gallon Avenue. Continuing 31. He can't corner very well. He keeps swerving every time he turns. Close it out. I got to fix it. It's going to be on the older black bill. Keep him off those about if you can. Roosevelt.
Hey, walk. Speed 93. Traffic light. Looks like we're going towards 440. Coming up on the south interchange right now. Please 85. We're going to be continuing 30 west. Yeah.
Slows down again.
I'll have, if you get front on the west side. I'm going 30 west now. He's wobbling pretty hard. 103 is the speed right now. Traffic's still light. We're coming up on 65th Street, speed's 101, traffic still light.
I think it's tires slow. I'm ramping one of those off ramps on 630. Speeds are about 58. Coming up to 630. Or correction, 90. Coming up to 630.
So get up there, try to help them off. We're going to be taking the 135. 65th Street now. Getting back on to 31. Taking Charlie Hilton. Never mind, we're continuing back on 30. Lights and no traffic, speed's 100. We're going the wrong way towards University. That's my LAPD. going to be northbound University. University on the wrong way, coming up 67.
One car, he's on the left. They're on the left, Y'all back off just a little bit. I'm gonna get him right here. Hey, you don't get to drive the wrong way and then bitch whenever you get arrested. Shut up. Shut up.
Bitch,
Shut up.
Man. I'm not bitch.
Consequences suck, huh?
I ain't got no bitches, man.
You got out there?
I ain't got nothing on me, brother. Y'all tell my head to go, I ain't got no goddamn gun. I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got nothing, brother. Y'all tell my head to go, I ain't got no goddamn gun.
You got the right to remain silent.
I ain't got no gun. Y'all tell my head to go.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
I ain't got no gun.
Hey, just check his part. Just check his...
Fuck that.
Shut up. Hunter, just check his
Y'all
part.
tell my head to go, I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got shit, brother. I ain't got shit on me, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got nothing. Take me, brother. I ain't trying to fight y'all no nothing, brother. I ain't got shit, brother.
Hey, dude, just stop talking.
Y'all said I had a gun. I ain't got no fucking gun, brother. Fuck that. I ain't got no gun.
Get up.
Hey, brother, y'all said I got a gun. I ain't got no gun, brother.
Shut up.
I ain't did. Look, I ain't got no gun, man. Regardless of what y'all say, I ain't got no gun, man. Y'all said I had a magazine. I ain't got no magazine. I ain't got no gun. No, hell no, I ain't got no gun, brother.